Yes, you. Are you a home service-based provider looking to grow or increase the amount of sales or estimates you close? Then this video is going to be for you as I share some of the best secrets that have helped me and others close more estimates in their business. Guys, tip number one, and one of my personal favorites, is developing rapport with your client, getting to know them and act more as a friend. Guys, remember, people buy from people they trust and people that they like. How can you do this? Guys, make them laugh, make them joke, compliment their house, their bushes look nice. Mr. Jones, your truck looks very nice. I love it. Develop a friendship, be charismatic, be outgoing, guys. That is one of my favorites on how to close more estimates. Develop a sense of rapport with them. Guys, tip number two is to show up in a well-marked van, clearly wrapped, something that looks nice. Even if it's not wrapped, guys, having a magnet or something that identifies you and your business to let your client know who is showing up to the house and that you take pride in your van, and make sure you have the wheels shining whenever you roll in. That says a lot about you and your business, that if you take care of yourself, your van, your business, you're gonna take care of them. Guys, tip number three, and this is also a great one in marketing yourself and making yourself look like the professional we know you are, is having a brochures made. This can be trifold, bifold, quadrifold, however many folds you want it, guys, but really simple, that kind of pushes and lets your clients know a little bit more about your services, who you are, why they should hire you. Frequently asked questions, guys. On the back, I have a QR code to my website as well as to video testimonials. Just another thing that you can leave with your client that is really going to impress them and set you apart and differentiate you from your competitors, which is going to give you a competitive edge. Guys, tip number four, and this is probably one of the easiest ones and should be common sense, but we know not everyone has common sense, is having a nice haircut, guys, looking nice. Make sure you're trimmed, the scragglies are shaved. You know, I like a little bit of a thicker beard myself, but I always make sure that I keep it maintained. Don't have a bunch of stubble. I don't smell bad. My shirts are clean. They're not wrinkled to death. I don't have things on my pants. Guys, your appearance is a big factor, and if someone is going to hire you, if somebody rolls up to my house and they have Coke cans falling out of their van and it's rusted, stains on their shirt, they're just sloppy, that says a lot about how they're going to take care of yourself. I go to the gym, I'm fit, I'm active. That shows a lack of, or a show of discipline, if you will. I am sorry. And they know that if I am disciplined in myself, that I'm more than likely going to be disciplined in my business. If I take care of myself, you're going to take care of them. So guys, remember, appearance matters. Take care of yourself. And guys, one of the last and final ones that should be a no-brainer in common sense, but again, guys, most people lack common sense, unfortunately, is show up on time to your estimates. Text and email notification reminders. If you tell a client you're going to be there at 12, make sure you depart 15 minutes earlier than you expect, because you never know if you're going to run into traffic delays or running out of gas. So make sure that you are showing up in the scheduled time frame. Again, that says a lot, that when you tell a client you're going to do something, that you deliver, you show up when you're supposed to. I can't tell you how many clients call us and say that they had a scheduled appointment. Either the contractor failed to show up or they showed up late, guys, and that is a red flag to people who want to hire you for your services. It already shows that if you can't show up to your appointment on time to give them an estimate, that shows that you're more than likely not that disciplined, and you're not going to show up on time, and you're not going to take care of them. So guys, start implementing these strategies today to help you and your home service based business grow. Let me know down in the comments another video that you guys would like to see. Thank you for subscribing to Home Service Mastery. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified, because we will be posting tons of free and valuable content just like this to help you become a master of your home service based business. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.